Assalamualaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Basically our first word for today is stable. Word stable means basically something that is secure, firm or steady and not likely to change or move. It can be used to refer to a physical or metaphorical state of being. Example basically includes that after the surgery, the patient's condition became stable and the doctors were able to discharge him. ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल मुस्तहकम के सेंस में हम stable use कर सकते हैं. Synonyms basically include steady, secure, firm, fixed, constant, and unchanging. And antonyms includes unstable, insecure, shaky, wobbly, volatile, and unpredictable. Then we have got the word tentatively. Tentatively basically refers to something that is done in an uncertain or hesitant manner. ठीक है, जिसके बारे में आपको confirmation नहीं होती उसके लिए आप tentatively का word use करते हैं. Examples includes she tentatively reached out to touch the hot stove, unsure of its temperature. Next, its synonyms includes hesitantly, cautiously, uncertainly, doubtfully, irresolutely, and vacillatingly. And antonyms includes confidently, boldly, decisively, absurdly, resolutely, and firmly. Next word is tackle. Tackle basically means to confront or deal with a problem or a difficult situation. It can also refer to the equipment which is used in sports such as football or fishing. ठीक है, तो ये verb के तौर पे भी use हो सकता है और ये जो है वो noun के तौर पे भी use हो सकता है. Example basically includes the company had to tackle with the issue of decreasing profit. So basically synonyms includes confront, address, handle, deal with, manage, and cope with. And antonyms includes avoid, ignore, neglect, evade, strike, and surrender. Next word is tumultuous. Tumultuous basically means making a loud, confused noise, disorderly, and chaotic. Example includes the crowd at the stadium became tumultuous when the home team scored the winning goal. ठीक है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंची आवाज़ चीज़ निकालती है उसके लिए tumultuous का word use कर सकते हैं. Synonyms basically includes chaotic, turbulent, uproarious, tempestuous, boisterous, and noisy. And antonyms includes calm, peaceful, tranquil, serene, quiet, and still. Then it's tomfoolery. The word tomfoolery means playful or the foolish behavior or actions. For example, the students were engaging in tomfoolery during the class and the teacher had to reprimand them. यानी कि किसी भी किस्म का जो शरारत हरकत होती है उसके लिए आप tomfoolery का जो word है वो use कर सकते हैं. Synonyms basically includes clowning, buffoonery, mischief, etc. And antonyms include seriousness, sobriety, wisdom, prudence, etc. Next we have tangle. Tangle means to become twisted together, causing difficulty in separating and straightening out. Example includes the rope had become tangled and it took them several minutes to unravel them. ठीक है, तो बिल्कुल उलझने के सेंस में यूज होता है tangled. Synonyms basically includes knot, snarl, twist, entangle, enmesh, jumble. And antonyms includes unravel, untangle, disentangle, and free and twist. Then we have got trough. Trough is basically a long, narrow container used for holding water or feeding farm animals. For example, the farmer filled the trough with fresh water for thirsty crows. Synonyms basically includes container, basin, receptacle, vat, reservoir, and cistern. And antonyms includes peak, crest, summit, apex, zenith, and acme. This is all for today. Thank you so much.